Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing a clean with me. I know you guys like these videos and today is my holiday winter edition of my clean with me video. Oh, and Johnny and I finally got a dining table. So ta-da, here it is. Very messy and dirty right now. So these are all of the before clips. So as you can see, our apartment is kind of a hot mess right now. And no, I didn't just make the house look messier just for these shots. This is really how dirty it was, and it's pretty gross, but this is what we were living in, so it is time to clean up. You guys know I like to clean every Friday. I use that as my cleaning day, so I'm going to show you guys what I do and then also share with you how I clean Zoey, which I do, I would say, probably once a month with Zoey, and I also got a new vacuum that I'm so excited to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into the video. So the first thing I like to do is actually make a to-do list of all of the cleaning that needs to be done, and I just find that this helps me get things done quicker, it helps me be more productive and stay on track. So I write down each room in sections, so like we have the bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, and then I write what I do in each room. So this will be my little checklist that I will follow. And once I have that done, I'm going to get started with Zoey. So I'm going to start by brushing her hair because this girl sheds a lot. People get really surprised because she has short hair, but no, do not be fooled. She sheds like crazy. Look at all this hair that is coming off the brush. And even just me petting her, look at all this hair coming off. And now it's time to take a bath. So I carry her up the little steps and I bring her over to the bathtub. She does not like this at all, you guys. She is not a fan of bath time. But luckily she's pretty good about it. Like, she will stay put even though I know she's really unhappy right now. She's not happy. She doesn't like this. And I do have a little mat in the bathtub that just allows some grip for her little paws in there. So I'm just putting in some nice warm water for the little baby. I don't fill it up too much. And then for soap, I get questions all the time on what I use, and I just use a little bit of Dawn soap, and I just put a little bit in and the water kind of dilutes it so it's not as strong and it becomes this like kind of mild wash for her. So she's got this little bubble bath going on, and I just use a cup to wash her body. And I mean, Zoey is not out there like rolling in the grass every single day, so she's not dirty like a normal dog would be dirty, you know what I mean? I know that Dawn dish soap can be drying, so when I do notice that her skin is looking a little dry or anything like that, I will use some coconut oil on her. And here's where Zoey's disability comes in handy. She can't jump out of the tub because she can't use her back legs, right? So I can actually leave her in there. I won't have to worry about her trying to escape, and I can go ahead and clean up her little bedroom area. So I sweep this area, get all that extra hair out of the way, and I dust off her bed and then put a fresh, clean blankie for her. She uses the Erin Condren Sherpa throws because she's spoiled, and this one happens to be her personalized one with a bunch of pictures of her. So cute. One of my favorite blankets. So now we head back to the bathroom for the little lady that's waiting so patiently for me. So the water is already drained, and I'm just going to grab a towel now and we're going to dry her off. So I always lay one towel down on the floor, and then she'll lay on this, and then I'll use another towel to go ahead and dry her up. This is her trying to jump out of the bathtub. She's not very successful without my help, so that's why I can leave her in there. So she usually works on her front paw areas, like drying those and getting those nice and clean, and I will go ahead and dry up the rest of her body. Until she escapes, of course. Oh yes, clean, fresh bed for the baby. And since it's winter time, it's getting a little chilly here, so time to put on her little sweater. I think think sometimes she likes it, sometimes she hates it. I can't really tell, to be honest. But sometimes I see her trying to like bundle up in her blankie, so I'm like, okay, maybe she's cold then, let me put a sweater on her. But then sometimes when I put it on, she's trying to take it off. So I can't tell if she wants it or not, to be honest. But since it is cold, we're just gonna leave it on her. So, give Zoey a bath? Check. So now I'm going to continue with my checklist and speed through everything. Making the bed, which is always easy peasy. And then I'm going to clean off my vanity. My goodness, I don't know how, but every single week my vanity just piles up with so much stuff. Like, it just gets crazy. Look, I've got a bra there, I've got my tripod, hats, like it's like my junk table. If I'm not doing makeup there, it becomes my junk table. So it's always a huge mess at the end of the week. So I'm just putting everything back where it belongs, and then I'm going to wipe down the table, wipe down the mirrors, and all the dust around it. I'm going to quickly wipe down the mirrors and then clean up all of the things that I have on the floor. A lot of it is clean clothes, believe it or not. Oh my gosh, now I'm so excited. I'm going to be opening up my new vacuum. This is the Appleson 2-in-1 cordless vacuum. And I'm so stoked about this, you guys. I got it off of Amazon, so I will leave it linked below if you guys are interested in checking it out. I liked that it's so sleek, and it also works on different surfaces. So I can use this on the carpet in the bedroom and also the vinyl flooring that I have everywhere else in the apartment. So I'm so excited about this. So here we are vacuuming the room, trying it out, and it's picking up everything. And I just love how lightweight this is. Like, this is so easy to vacuum. I don't have to worry about any cords like getting tangled. This is so easy. Like, I'm actually excited to vacuum the house now. Oh my gosh, look how much it got already. Whoa. So I'm gonna finish vacuuming the bedroom, but I'm just so shocked how much it picked up. Like, this is so gross, you guys. Watch this next clip. Okay, just finished vacuuming the bedroom. Oh my gosh, look at how much it got. Like, that's kind of scary. It picked up so much. That's kind of disgusting how much was on the carpet. That's gross, man. Back to our to-do list. We're doing pretty good. Wasn't able to do laundry because the machines downstairs were full like the whole time I was cleaning, so we just had to do that another day. So now moving on to the bathroom, I'm going to clean up this counter space. I feel like having such big counter space, it would seem like such a good thing, but it's sometimes a bad thing because things just easily pile up here. So it gets messy very quickly. P.S. Thank you to the viewer that recommended I start cleaning with microfiber cloths rather than paper towels. I was definitely wasting so much paper towels using them to clean all of the surfaces in my house. So now I just use paper towels for a few things here and there, but definitely love using these microfiber cloths. I'm also using my new vacuum to vacuum up the bathroom area, and it's again picking up everything. So this is so awesome. I don't have to sweep anymore. And then to clean the tub and the toilet, I've been using this mixture of products that have been just mind-blowing to me. It's not new or revolutionary or anything. This is like an old favorite cleaning hack, but it's baking soda with Dawn dish soap and then vinegar. So I mix those in a bowl. So first I have the baking soda and then the Dawn dish soap, and I'm making sort of this like kind of liquidy paste. And then I pour in the vinegar. I don't do measurements for any of this because if you watch any of my cooking videos, you know I just never do measurements. That's not my style. But I put it in this giant bowl because once you add the vinegar, because of the baking soda, it does like bubble up. So it expands to this frothy type of mixture here. And I put this all over the tub. The first time I used this mixture in the tub, I was like blown away. I wish I had recorded my reaction because I was so excited, so stoked that it made the tub so stinking clean. So I don't really know of a more graceful way to apply this, but I'm just smearing this all over the tub. I did go back and make some more of this mixture, and this is kind of what the bathroom looked like, kind of like a crime scene in a way, a blue crime scene. But I'm letting that sit, and I also put it in the toilet. So I'm letting that sit for about 10-15 minutes before I wipe it out. So while I let that mixture sit on the tub and the toilet, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up everything off the floor. I had dirty clothes in the corner. I'm gonna empty out the trash, all that kind of stuff. And now I'm just going to turn on the tub, and I have a sponge that I use just for the tub. And I'm just going to start wiping the mixture away, and oh my gosh, it makes the tub so nice and clean. Like, this gets me so excited. Does that mean I'm like getting old or something, like that this is the stuff that makes me so excited? Look at this. Look at that. That's epic, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so clean. And of course, I'm going to vacuum here in the bathroom. Look at how this vacuum just gets in all of the tight little spaces, and like, I love that the vacuum head is like adjustable like that, so it fits every crack and corner. Like, oh my gosh, it is the best. And now I'm just going to finish off my checklist by moving on to the kitchen area. So cleaning off the dining room. Can you guys tell what I'm watching on my laptop right now? And singing along too. And of course, vacuuming the kitchen area and loving how this is fitting in all the nooks and crannies. And finishing up the kitchen, doing the dishes, and then cleaning the stove and the countertops in here. And then moving to the living room. We didn't have too much to clean up, just had to pick up Zoey's toys, move the coffee table back onto the carpet, and readjust the pillows. Nothing big here, but I did want to vacuum this area because of all of the dog hair that this room alone accumulates because of Zoey. Look at that, it picked up everything. That's epic. This vacuum is epic. I'm pretty excited about it, so I will leave the Amazon link below if you guys want to check it out. And look, it fits in my closet so perfectly. I'm so happy right now. So again, here are all of the before shots. So this is the house looking dirty. And then we have our after shots at the end. So that completes this clean with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you liked seeing my holiday decor just here and there throughout the house, and like the Christmas tree and everything. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you guys next time.